Yeah, and OBS. That's right.
Trapped in the concept, falsely accused was used, and misled, bitch, I'm hoping you fucking rest in peace.
Alright guys, so if you want to use Elgato without using their not that good software, you can use OBS. What you need to do is you need to go down here and add a video capture device. You'll click it, you'll hit OK, and then you'll find your Elgato. I'm not going to do that because I already have it up. And then it'll pop up, whoop, like that. And this is my game. I can make it full screen. Holy shit, maybe. Anyway, you get the point. That's the Xbox. Good stuff, good stuff. And it'll come up automatically as full screen, so that's good. But there are a few things that you want to watch out for. One, you want to make sure that your volume for the capture device is turned down quite a bit, or it'll clip and you'll get really shitty audio. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to settings, and then it'll come up like this. You go to output, change that to advanced, output mode to advanced. You go over here to recording. You want to select these tracks if you want a separate audio track for your mic. That's up to you. And then right here is where you really need to pay attention to. The rate control, you want that CBR. Put a decent bit rate. 17,000 usually works pretty good. Use a custom buffer size. Put 35,000. You want the CPU usage preset to be at super fast, your profile at high, your tune at 0 latency, and then you want all this down here. I'll put it in the description. Just copy, paste it in here. Then you're going to hit OK. And pretty much what that'll do is make sure that the video doesn't come out choppy or laggy, because from where it's at a higher frame rate or something like that, OBS doesn't really like it. But if you put these settings in, it comes out super fine and pretty. That's what we like. But anyway, that's how you can do Elgato in OBS. Man, that looks cool back there. Thanks for watching, guys.